Imagine this. You overheard a colleague making inappropriate comments about another colleague's appearance. It's a situation that makes you feel uneasy, and you're not sure what to do next. You feel uncomfortable, but you hesitate. Should you report it, or should you address it directly with the colleague? The decision isn't always clear-cut. This situation highlights the importance of understanding when to escalate issues to HR. HR departments are there to handle such concerns and ensure a safe and respectful workplace. Navigating workplace challenges can be tricky. It's essential to know the protocols and policies in place to address these issues effectively. Knowing when to involve HR is crucial for maintaining a respectful and productive environment for everyone. It's about creating a culture where everyone feels safe and valued. Ignoring serious issues can have negative consequences, both for individuals and the entire organization. It can lead to a toxic work environment, decreased morale, and even legal repercussions. By addressing concerns promptly and appropriately, we contribute to a healthier, more supportive workplace where everyone can thrive. HR plays a vital role in addressing workplace issues fairly and effectively. They are the backbone of any organization, ensuring that the workplace remains a safe and productive environment for all employees. They are trained to handle sensitive situations, investigate complaints, and ensure legal compliance. This includes everything from managing employee relations to overseeing recruitment and onboarding processes. By understanding when to involve HR, employees can protect themselves from potential harm and contribute to a healthier work environment. HR professionals provide guidance on conflict resolution and offer support during challenging times. Early intervention by HR can prevent small problems from escalating into major crises. They act as mediators, ensuring that issues are resolved before they affect the overall morale and productivity of the team. It also helps create a culture of accountability and respect. Through training and development programs, HR fosters an inclusive and supportive workplace where everyone feels valued and heard. Harassment, discrimination, and safety concerns require immediate escalation to HR. These are serious violations that can create a hostile work environment. Other situations that warrant HR involvement include unethical behavior, legal violations, and serious conflicts that cannot be resolved informally. Remember, HR is there to provide guidance and support. When in doubt, it's always best to err on the side of caution and seek their advice. Before escalating an issue to HR, consider if you can address it directly with the person involved. This approach can often lead to quicker and more amicable resolutions. Sometimes a simple conversation can clear up misunderstandings. It allows both parties to express their perspectives and find common ground. If you feel comfortable, try talking to the individual privately and respectfully. Choose a quiet and neutral location where you can discuss the matter without interruptions. Explain how their actions are impacting you. Use I statements to express your feelings and avoid sounding accusatory. For minor issues, documenting the incident can be helpful. This can provide clarity and serve as a reference if the issue persists. Keep a record of dates, times, witnesses, and any communication related to the issue. Detailed documentation can be crucial if further action is needed. By working together, we can create a workplace where everyone feels heard, respected, and valued. Collaboration and open communication are key to fostering a positive and productive environment for all.